Hello there, it's Haley with the Maltempo report. So we still got Failing. Failing has been around for quite some time, however, moving away from land, so that is a good thing. Let's see if we get the satellite loop on that. So there you go, there's La Réunion, Maurice, Madagascar, so there's the main storm now. So still a whole bunch of clouds and stuff. In fact, La Réunion is having a, pluie? Lluvia, whatever the word is for rain, right? Lluvia, if that is the word, that's a Spanish word. Pluie, I think, is a French word. Anyway, they do have still rain in Fireswood, but probably for whatever that stuff is, instead of the main circulation, the main storm system. So, and Failing expected to become extra tropical in the next 36 hours or so, so that's good. So, Failing kind of will be around for a while, apparently, or ish, but won't be a threat. So that's good. So, and then there's 96 WP, the area of disturbance, where the JTWC has never issued an outlook area, and apparently it's just a permanent area of disturbance out near the Philippines, because it's been there for many days. And then we have this low chance of tropical cyclone formation as issued by Fiji, so just kind of out there and hanging out. Hanging out in the Pacific, right, the South Pacific Ocean. Will that thing turn into anything? Apparently just a low chance at the moment. So Failing is pretty much it storm-wise, and then that disturbance, and then the area, the outlook area over there. So yes, severe thunderstorm weather-wise today. Nothing mesoscale discussion, almost certainly due to winter weather. Yes, snow rates of 2 inches an hour anticipated. Yes, so that is what is the mesoscale discussion. But so severe thunderstorm wise, relaxed and groovy today, and relaxed and groovy today. I mean, for the foreseeable future, relaxed and groovy today, and for the foreseeable future as well. Yes, which is kind of how most of winter goes. But then we have these pop-up outbreaks of severe thunderstorms and stuff. Yes. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of the screencast. WikiWix is WICKEDWX.com. Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. That is it for today. And hopefully you're staying safe out there.